There's some stuff here for my rusty junk. This stuff was gonna go to the scrapper. Instead, it's gonna go to my house. Alright? You know, and I guess I'll know what I'll do with it once I get it there. But all different kinds of. That's pretty cool. I like that. There's some old metal that they scrapped out, most of it here years ago. This is the sled, original sled. The sled that they used with Morgan horses to bring the logs off this 160-acre place here and build their original house. How about that, huh? Talk about history. And it just goes on and on. It's all over the place. So, I'll walk you down here. This little beater truck. I can't even believe it's still running. Some of the stuff I already got. You know, I just can't let it go. We made rebar out of most of this stuff and sent it to China, I think. So there's stuff all over. I don't even know what's half of this stuff is yet. Until I get her out of the ground and research it. It goes on and on. So I'm going to take out what I can. It looks like it's salvageable, right? Let's see what I can get. See how much of this stuff will go on my rat rod. I can't wait to start that project. Alright, later. Okay, out in the woods. You know, and this catches my eye. I've never seen this before. Let's see what it is. I can hold the camera still. For God's sakes. Or the phone, whatever you want to call it. Well, it's kind of cool. The dash is still in it. An old cab of some kind, huh? Yeah, what do we got here? Firewall. Oh, I don't think it says anything. Just laying out here, rotting away. It looks like at one time there was quite a bit. I even see the grill down there. Imagine that. The shell. That's the radiator shell. Way far gone. Way past even what I would consider yard art. Something else. Who knows what's all back here and out on the road, so pretty cool. Cool to salvage something off of it, but I don't see what. How's that? Alright. Still shiny. Yeah, it's an old grill. Wonder, should be able to figure out what this used to be by that grill, I would imagine. Something else. Like seen better days. Definitely seen better days. Fenders, everything. Well, I've dug this out from under a bunch of wood, and this is what I found. What I thought was just an old rotted wagon happens to be Model A, Model T, I don't know. I imagine somebody does. There's a divorced transmission, or bell housing, or what's left of a transmission, I take it. I like that. Look at that rear end. Look at this hump. Oh. Yes, I will be dragging this home. I don't have a clue what it is, but I like it. This might be pretty darn close to makings of a rat rod start here. Wow, it's even. That's old. Frame looks like it's in pretty good shape. The wishbone. Everything's here. Frame wise, front end wise. Yes, sirree. I shall be taking this home. I'm glad I dug all that wood off of it, and the heck, huh? Nice, nice, nice. What a score. Yep. Lots of parts and pieces there. Huh. Alrighty, here is my newest find of rusty iron. I did a video of this earlier. Told you I was bringing it home. Well, it's home. So, here it is. Everybody says these tires will not ever be used again. I think they're right. So you can tell at one time they had this made as a wagon. It's the steer. This steered it. Everything, nothing was frozen. Everything turned freely. I drug this thing out. Should have got some video of it. But, you know, I don't even know what it is. I think it's an old Ford. You can tell they used it for a wagon. You know, I had a bunch of rotted lumber on top of it where it had a flat bed wagon thing on it at one time or nothing. But I'll get all this wood off of here and get back down to the frame. There's the bell housing, what's left of the transmission housing. Right? It's all complete, you know. Wishbones. Just by looking at it, it's got to be old Model A, Model T, old Ford truck. The body was out in the woods, but it was pretty well crushed and gone. And then also my newest piece of farm equipment here, which I'm going to use to drag my property and hopefully level it next door, because it is not level. I'll get it drug out here and spread out. Let me use this. I don't even know what the heck it is. Old piece of farm machinery. Beats me. And it's got a hubcap. So I See, Cold War motors, they got a tire thing going on. Well, here's one for you. My tire segment. I should have a my tire is gone segment. But if you're interested, the Gold Goodyear. I just can't believe I found this laying out there and drug it on home. There's a Goodyear Deluxe. Okay, there's one cat, two cat, the third cat. My wife had to get 3 cats just to show me that I do not rule the roost anymore. 3 cats. Anyway, so this is my newest rusty metal. I'm gonna collect, and I guess we'll see what happens after that. Alright, well, I got it home, got it off the trailer. See the tire on the back come off when I drug it off the trailer, but there she sits. It's about the only place I can put it at the moment. So this is what the whole front of my place is going to look like eventually. There's that. Let me come down to this. The front kind of blends in. And I'm going to just keep bringing it home until I get it clear across the front of the property here. Collect, collect, collect.